Hello everybody, this is Archana here from Read, Write, Inspire. The NaNoWriMo season is upon us and I just wanted to show you a few things that I'm doing to prepare myself for NaNoWriMo this year. And one of the first things has been to set up my NaNoWriMo spreads on my KikiK planner. So, for this season, I've been heavily inspired by two different authors for my NaNoWriMo spreads, and one of them is author Bethany, who has these writerly care packages, and she had a special package for NaNoWriMo, which is something which I purchased online, and I've printed out the templates. Apart from this, I've also been inspired by some of the spreads created by author Sarah Cannon and Heart Breathings. Her blog is called Heart Breathings. Do check it out. It's there on YouTube too. So without further ado, let me show you the templates. So this is my KikiK planner. I'm not going to go into the other spreads because that would make this a very long video. So instead I'll just go to writing, and even in writing I'm going to just open the ones which are related to NaNoWriMo. So what I did was I put this green color tape so that I can immediately spot where my NaNoWriMo spreads begin. So this is my writerly goal, and before this I wanted to show you this one too. So I created this spread for my word count tracker. This is something which I was inspired by the Heart Breathings blog. So you just write your date, write the sprint number or the amount of time for the sprint, maybe 15 minutes or 20 minutes, and then how much you write, and put the total, So let's say 200 words. The next time when you write a 300 words, this total will become 500. So this way you can just keep seeing how you keep doing it. And after this, so this is a printable from author Bethany in the writerly care package. I've just colored it with some color pencils, and this is again another little spread from her, which is a reward tracker. And then you have a novel writing bingo. I'm really looking forward to doing this one. It's going to be fun. All these templates are actually from her. I'm not sure what was exactly the size of it. I just printed it a little smaller so that it could fit into my planner, and I've just decorated it so that I just like these kind of decorations because it makes me happy and enthusiastic to keep writing. She had a favorite lines tracker. In fact, this heading is being cut out from that. But then when I reduced the size of the template, I felt it's not going to be comfortable enough to write. So I just took that inspiration from that, but then created my own template for that. Then comes the habit tracker. Too bad this novel won't write itself. This is also a template from her, and it's got actually 30 days. So for every day that you write, you just color one. Color in a tile each day you write. This is also going to be fun to do. Then of course comes the one step at a time tracker to 50,000 words. Then you have the actual nano tracker where you're supposed to write 1667 words every day so that you reach 50,000 words on the 30th day. All these also are, as you can see, her name. So they are all designed by her and available in the writerly care package. So again, this certificate of achievement was also there over there. So I've just printed it out and put it here. And I'm hoping that I do hit 50,000 words there, and I'm able to fill this up and claim the certificate as mine. So these are the templates that I've created for NaNoWriMo. Now apart from these templates, there are few other things which I did to prepare for Preptober. Let me tell you that. So we are now logged into the NaNoWriMo website. As you know, it's nanowrimo.org. Please log into your site. As you can see here, I've logged into here. And once you log into here, you can also create the book that you're planning to write for this particular season. So I have my book named here. And the main reason why I wanted to show this to you is that this time there are some few resources on the NaNoWriMo website which are really useful, and I wanted to direct you to them. So once you come to writers resources, if you click here, you can see this place where you have offers, discounts on writer tools. Please go into this, and over here you will find many resources which are being offered by the sponsors for those who are trying their hand at NaNoWriMo. For instance, Autocrit is one thing which I purchased, in fact, I think a couple of years back. And at that time, it wasn't on a yearly subscription. It was a one-time purchase. And I really feel that's one thing which I've done really good, because Autocrit gives you the option of finding out whether the language that you use is suitable for the particular age group you're writing. So for instance, when I write my children's books, I put it on Autocrit and see what age group is actually suitable. And sometimes it also points out specific words which might not be suitable for that age group, which might be a little too heavy for them to read. So that way it's been very helpful for me. But apart from Autocrit, this time around, maybe these are resources which you're already using. If so, it's good. But if not, I would wanted to just show them to you, you know. So one of the things this time that I've downloaded is Dabble. So Dabble, I think it has some 14-day free subscription or a trial period or something like that. However, if you're a NaNoWriMo participant, then you can get Dabble free till the end of November. So it gives you a good amount of time to try out the software and see how it is and whether you are actually liking it. And then if you have just participated but you've not won NaNoWriMo, then you would get a 20% discount on Dabble. However, if you win NaNoWriMo, then you get a 50% discount if you decide to go ahead and buy it. Now, along with Dabble, there is this free service which they have, which is called as wordsprints.org. Let me just open it and show you. So this is also something that's really nice. So where you can have a word sprint as, you know, alone or with a group. And I felt this was quite good, and I'm very sure I'm going to be using this during this season. So I went ahead and created a Dabble account and claimed this offer for November, and I'm going to be writing my manuscript on Dabble this time. I want to check out and see how it is, because I found it quite good when it comes to, you know, setting goals or syncing between devices, and it's got this mobile version too and all that. So let me just show you my Dabble page. So this is how it looks. I already had something else written in this too. However, if you see, this is my title for NaNoWriMo, which is also mentioned over here. Now, the best part is the manuscript portion of this has been connected to my NaNoWriMo account. So each time I write here, it's going to update the NaNoWriMo account with my word count that I've written. So I found it quite nice. So I wanted to give it a shot and try this time how it works out. And if I like it, then good, I'll continue. Maybe if I complete and win NaNoWriMo, then I would get a 50% discount and I can actually continue using it. If not, then I still have till the end of November to check it out and see how it is. And then maybe if I don't like it, I can just come out of it. You know, I don't need to really pay for it. Now, apart from Dabble, there was one more thing that I was extremely excited about, and something that I had downloaded this time, which is, by the way, Great Courses Plus was also something that I got first introduced to through NaNoWriMo. I think this was a couple of years back again. And after that, I have been consistently actually paying for it over the years. It has a huge variety of courses, and there are actually some extremely good courses on writing. You have a wonderful course on crime writing, thriller writing. You have uh, I think there's one on comedy also. And apart from this, there's a lot of courses on physics, chemistry, biology, and all the other various subjects, which my children find it useful for their school and for their studies. So this is also something that you should try out. If you don't know about Great Courses Plus, then please do try it out. I'm sure you'll like it. Of course, Scrivener is always there, and it's always been on a 50% discount for NaNoWriMo winners. Uh, I don't know, I've liked Scrivener for non-fiction writing, but I don't know why I've never been able to write on Scrivener for fiction. I'm not sure whether it's something wrong with me or something to do with Scrivener, but whatever, So since I've not been able to do that, I didn't go, I'm not going to be using Scrivener this time. Um, I've not checked out most of these other things, so I'm not sure what they are. Here comes the thing that I wanted to show you. This Ravan, the Writing Mastery Academy. Now, this was founded by Jessica Brody, who is the author of this book called Save the Cat Writes a Novel. I have a copy of the book too, where she talks about how the Save the Cat was actually written for screenwriting, and it involves 15 beats. So she tells you how you can actually use it for plotting your novel too. Now, that's that's only one part of what Jessica does, but actually the one thing that I extremely love about her was her course on Udemy, which was about productivity for writers, and it's something that actually changed my entire game for me, because till then I used to not be a writer who used to be able to get up in the mornings and start writing, because I wouldn't even have actually woken up properly. But at the same time, when you see these books like the 5 a.m. You know, I sorry, I forgot how to get up at 5 a.m. or something like that. There's these books like that which talk about what you need to do in the morning and how to have a morning routine. And the routine itself goes in for about an hour. Now, frankly, if I had an hour, I wouldn't want to put it into that routine, because I don't have that hour. I have to get up in the morning, pack tiffins, send my kids off to school, get them ready, and there's so much that's going on that I don't have the what can I say? I'm not blessed with that much of time that I can sit and do a morning routine which stretches for 1 hour. It's just not possible with me. I need things to be quick, and I need to be able to get writing as soon as I can. So that's something, but at the same time, I need to wake up too. I need to be able to wake up myself enough to actually focus on the writing. And that's something I was able to do only after doing her course on Udemy. And after that, Jessica actually kept making courses, and each one was better than the one before. And finally, she stopped putting her courses on Udemy, or at least I couldn't find the latest ones on Udemy. But she created her own Writing Mastery Academy, which has a collection of her courses. Now, the offer is that you can get to try this academy for free for 1 month. And I would urge you to definitely go and log into this immediately, in fact, because Let me just show it to you. In the academy, she has this fantastic course called Novel Fast Drafting Course. And believe me, this is going to really help you to complete NaNoWriMo. She talks about how exactly you can draft a novel quickly and complete it, how to do the first draft within that time period. So I think this is a course which she's created especially for NaNoWriMo. So this course is going to be really useful if you want to look at it. And it's also, the one good thing about the course is she's not concentrated only on plotters or only on pantsers. So anyone can actually go through the course, and there's a lot of coverage on both for plotters and for pantsers. So I'm sure you'll find it useful. Just to give, I'm not going to go inside the course and show you what's there, but I wanted to just show you a little glimpse at all the other courses that she has. So she has about writing dynamic characters, and this is the Save the Cat Writes a Novel, her book. And if you can see, she's also got a course which explains that whole thing. These are some of her other courses, and it's not just these ones. Let me show you, there's more. Yeah, so this is the one I spoke to you about, the productivity hacks for writers. So once you finish the fast drafting course, I would urge you to definitely check out this course. See, I'm not being sponsored for this video, or neither I'm having any affiliate links to direct you to this. This is just something that's helped me immensely, and I wanted to share it with you. So these are some of the other courses that she has. She also conducts live webinars, and this is a recording of all her live webinars. There's also a community where you can find critic partners and get support and all those things. So yes, so this is what I wanted to show you. So this bonus content is something that every month or so it keeps appearing. But of course, if you're going to stick around for only 1 month over here, then I think you might have time only to do the fast drafting course and the productivity for writers course. You may not get enough time to do more. But if you do, then you do. Please check out the remaining courses also, because personally I can tell you everything works. Each of her courses are much better than the one which you did before, that way. And there's a lot of other resources also included in the courses. Like I think if you see this one, Write a Best-Selling Novel, I think there are a lot of beat sheets of famous books, and which are also included in it, which you can check out and you can get a better idea about it. Even the fast drafting course, actually I think it includes a 100-page workbook or something like that along with it. I've not really checked out clearly, yeah, but it's something like that. So with this, I think we come to the end of this video. I wanted to talk to you about the Writing Mastery Academy, Dabble, WordSprint's website, and about my spreads for NaNoWriMo in my planner. So yes, I think we are to the end of the video. So all the best. Please let me know if you try out any of these resources and what did you think about them. All the best for NaNoWriMo. Keep writing, keep shining. Bye bye.